Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making corn on the cob Mexican style, elotes. Step by step, I'll explain on how I make elotes. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. So what will you need? Super easy, corn on the cob. I'm going to be using this cheese called cotija, which is a dry, salty cheese. And then I'm going to use some mayonnaise, and then I'm going to use some chili powder. You can make your own chili powder. I've opted to purchase one. And then I'm going to be using some skewers. That's all you need. This will be a hit for sure if you make these. So I've opted to come outdoors today. Go ahead and have a small little grill prepared here. I put some mesquite and some charcoal in. It's going to give it that great smoky flavor. And so we're going to go ahead and put our elotes on the grill, and we're going to brown them. As soon as they're cooked completely on all sides, we're ready to go ahead and prep our elotes. Okay, our corn on the cob is off the grill, nice and toasty here. I went ahead and put some skewers in, and so what I'm going to start with is to go ahead and get your mayonnaise and put mayonnaise all over the elote. Gives it a great flavor, and the cheese will adhere nicely to it once I have all the mayo that I want on it. Okay, and then we go ahead and we bring it over to the cheese queso cotija. And what I did with the queso cotija is I just grinded it down so it's in a powdered flavor like. And so go ahead and put that in there, and we're going to roll it into the queso cotija all over, making sure it gets all inside here. And then we're going to go ahead and get our chili powder. Now you can go ahead and make your own chili powder. I've opted to purchase this one. And then we're going to give this a taste and see how this is. This looks amazing. And then you're ready to enjoy. And now let's taste this and see what this is like. My gosh. This is amazing. Try making elote at home. You'll enjoy it for sure. We'll see you in our next video. Bueno. That's good. That chili is good.